My name is Fez Bobber, and I'm the new franchisee of Integrity First Car Pros. I've been racing for about 10 years, competing for about 4. I've been wanting to work with cars since I was a little kid. That's why I did mechanical engineering as a degree. And then I went on to work with Toyota headquarters as well. And then my next dream was to own my own very own shop. And that's where Integrity First Car Pros came over and helped me secure a location, trained me, and got me set up with all the vendors and everything else. Made sure it was a smooth transition, and here we are. The shop has been going on for 40 years. The person who ran it before me specialized in Mercedes. He worked at the factory at Mercedes in South Africa, moved to Dallas, started this location, and has been specializing in Mercedes for about 40 years. Our goal is to continue doing Mercedes work, specializing in Mercedes, but also expanding to other brands and OEMs as well, like Porsches, Audis, Corollas, Camrys, everything you got, we'll take care of it.